Hello everyone, my name is Saleha. I was one of the participants that joined this event. There are so many things that I learned through this sharing, such as how to set up my profile to attract others, especially my potential employers. I also learned how to sell myself to be the potential employee. I also learned how to create my personal branding by using the right keywords to represent myself. I believe LinkedIn is very important to us young graduates to attract our potential employers because LinkedIn like a resume through social media. So, if you want this free knowledge, sign up now and don't forget to ask your friend to join together because sharing is caring and you will never regret to join this event because there's so many things that you can get. Bye. Good luck.